So, proof polygon ABCD. Oh, okay. This is one way that they like to do it. So, I'm going to do it like this time. 25 over 15. We're going to do it using a proportion this time. 6 over 10. So, 25. Oh, I did something wrong. I should do this first. Getting ahead of myself. Let's label these also. Okay, and let's label these. So this is 6 and this is 10. So you see how I did the 25 and the 15. Like if I do this, 25 and 15. We want to see if that's the same relationship as 10 is. Remember, we have to do corresponding to 6. So we do the same thing as we've been doing. We just got to figure out what we multiply by. So this is 10 divided by 25. I need to calculate that. 10 over 25 is 0.4. And 6 over 15. 6 over 15 is 0.4. Remember, these both have to be 0.4. So this is times 0.4. Okay. Something looks a little weird about that. Let me just write 0.4. Okay, so they are similar. So EFGH. So EFGH is similar to ABCD. Because we don't have to do more than this right now, because 25 with 15, 10 with 6. If we use 15 and 25, we would use 6 and 10, like the same corresponding numbers. You could repeat this again if you want with like these ones, but you'll get the same answer. Okay, let's try one more. Well, let's do one more. So 10 with 15, and then 6, and 6 with 9. So 10, 15, we want to know that's the same as 6 to 9. So let me do this. 6 divided by 10 and 9 divided by 15. 6 divided by 10 is 0.6. 9 over 15. 9 over 15 is 0.6. So that one was good. Oh, we'll do it like this. These two were similar, but I still need to try this one. Or do this one. So I'm going to use purple. 8 to 12. So if I use 8 to 12, I still need to see if it's the same. So I'm going to use 10 to 15 again. Oops, 10 to 15 was blue. So 8 to 10. So 10 divided by 8 is 1.25. Okay, and 15 divided by 12. Oops. Yeah, 15 over 12 is 1.25. So, since these are proportional, if I take one, like the 10 and 15, I use it with the other one, like that means 8 and 12. Like, you don't have to go back and do 8 and 12 with 6 and 9, because you did 8 and 12 with 10 and 15, and you did 10 and 15 with 6 and 9. You see what I'm saying? So basically, we don't have to do the 8 and 12 with the 6 and 9, because we did the 8 and 12 with 10 and 15. And we know that the 10 and 15 is proportional or similar to 6 and 9. So they are similar. And we can represent this relationship using the notation ABC is similar to A, B, C, D, E, F. All right, cool. And, well, actually, let's back up. So you have 3 small practices, and you'll have to do each method. That way, later on, you can use whatever method you want. I just want to make sure you get enough practice with each so you can, like, better decide which one you prefer. And lastly, remember that if you don't, like, this one looks weird because it's 0.6 and 0.6, and this is 0.125 and 0.125. Remember, you're just checking to see if these two are similar and if these two are similar. As long as you're multiplying by the same number, like, within it, you're fine. Like, you're absolutely fine. Now, if you end up in a weird situation, like I said, if this is times 0.4 and this is times 0.2, or times 1.5 and this is times 0.66 repeating, like, if these are different within the fractions, it's a problem. They're not similar. Like, but these are the same within. These are the same within. So they are all similar. So that's it. Thank you.